Today's video is to show you how to add sections to a form. So as in this example, if we take a look at the default form, we might want to add a brand new section to capture different fields on a form. So today we're going to be editing the existing default form, and we can add a brand new section to this form. So to start this off, we're on our client, so we're just going to go down to Manage Records. And we're going to search for the record that we want to find the form for, which is Clients. And click on Forms, which is already defaulted and loading up. And we're going to go and edit our form. And as this loads, oh, well, there it is. So you can choose to set this as your default form if you'd like. We're not going to. And I'm just going to add in a brand new section in here called Other Details. Click Add and click Next. Just for today's demonstration, I'm just going to add in height and weight into Other Details, just so that it's got some fields. Okay. And click Next, and as you can see, our little section has appeared down the bottom here. We can drop and drag it up and down, but this is how we add sections essentially. It allows a full customization and flexibility of reordering data, how you need it to run your business. Okay. Now we're just going to go back to Clients. We'll click on New Client. We're going to change to our form. And as you can see, we have the original primary, secondary address, and we've now got other details down here. So that's how you can create your sections, and you can minimize your sections, and you're also able to go and edit these section headings as you need to. All right, thank you very much.